Hey everyone, and welcome to Tech Tips and Tricks, your ultimate destination for tech tips, tricks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just trying to make the most of your gadgets and devices, this channel is all about helping you stay ahead of the game. From smartphone hacks and hidden features to mastering productivity tools and boosting your digital security, we've got you covered. You'll find easy-to-follow tutorials, expert advice, and fun tech facts that make using your devices more efficient, productive, and most importantly, fun. Want to know how to customize your phone to work smarter? Looking for the best shortcuts to save you time at work or school? Or curious about the hidden Easter eggs and quirky features built into popular apps and platforms? You're in the right place. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius to follow along. We keep things simple, with practical steps that anyone can use, no matter your experience level. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so you never miss a tip that can change the way you use tech. We post regularly, so stay tuned for new tips and tricks every week. Plus, let me know in the comments what tech topics you'd like to learn more about. I'm always open to suggestions. Thank you so much for checking out Tech Tips and Tricks, and I'm excited to have you as part of this tech-savvy community. Now, let's dive in and start mastering your tech. Like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.